This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Todd David. Peaceful, private and exquisite. Come home to the upscale resort-style living in the much-desired maintenance-free gated community of Boca Royale. This 3/2/2 plus a den/study provides you with an open split floor plan. The home comes with an extended lanai with pocket sliders and sits on a private oversized lot with a pond view that is great to relax and enjoy watching all the Florida wildlife. Other upgrades include tray ceiling in the great room, granite counters in kitchen and baths, double vanities in master bath. The kitchen comes with an oversized breakfast bar with stainless steel appliances and natural gas range and water heater. The master suite includes a huge designer walk-in closet. Extra touches include Hunter Douglas blinds and epoxy floor in the garage. The community offers many social activities such as pickleball, bocce, croquet, etc. There is an 18-hole golf course, dog park, tennis courts, fitness center, gorgeous clubhouse and a stunning resort-style pool with tiki hut. All this and you are just minutes away from the beautiful Venice and Englewood beaches, so come and enjoy the best of what Southwest Florida has to offer you. For more information, review the details below.